Hey everybody, Gary Jurgen here, proud member of Team Durango. And if you want your boots to last, you got to take care of them. And if you're like me, you like the exotics or something that takes specialty care. So let's take a look at how I keep my boots looking sharp and fresh every day. Okay, so what happens if you have a rough out or a suede or something that takes extra special care? Gotta dust them, of course. Before you get into the real special stuff, just gotta knock the big dirt and debris off, dust them up. Make sure you get down good in the stitches. Dirt, debris likes to hang out down in the stitches. There you go. Simple. Nothing to it. Okay, so once you've dusted them, now if you have a pair of suede or rough outs, something that takes specialty care, skip the polish and conditioner. Make sure that you go to your Western store and get a brush that's made for those types of materials and just more of the same as you did the dusting. Make sure you get in and get all the dirt, all the debris. You can even make all the hide lay the same way. Simple as that. This boot's ready to go out of the town. That one still needs to go out.